Lumilipad sa dance floor ang ilang Pinoy dance group sa Amerika para sa Kapuso Best Dance Crew Competition. Mas naging exciting ang competition sa pagdalo ng ilang Kapuso stars. Ang chika hatid ni Aubrey Carampel.
Nakisaya ang Kapuso stars na sina Mark Hera, JR at Katrina Halili sa Kapuso Best Dance Crew Competition sa Anaheim, California. Si Mark ang tinaguriang bad boy ng dance floor. Humataw sa sayaw kasama ang mga contestant.
Ito ko nga sumayaw yung mga different crews. Actually, hindi lang yun yung nag-champion. Kahit yung lahat, they're all outstanding.
Nag-perform din ang R&B princess si JR. May song number naman si Katrina.
Sobrang fun, sobrang exciting, and sobrang effort yung binigay ng mga dancers. Sobrang gagaling.
I was kind of moved because, you know, there's like all these great dancers here to LA, and that everyone is really inspired and they have their hearts into it. And so it was pretty fun just being home and just being around that kind of environment.
Star-studded ang judges ng dance competition kasama ang Film Miss America na si Angela Perez Baracchio, Film actor sa One Tree Hill na si Michael Copon, at Hannah Montana cast member na si Ana Maria Perez de Tagle. Nagkaroon din ng autograph signing para sa GMA Pinoy TV subscribers. Hanggang sa Amerika, sinusubaybayan ng ating mga kapuso ang mga paborito nilang programa sa GMA.
That's okay. I used to watch Eat Bulaga.
How about you?
Rosalinda, of course. Darna, started watching it.
Aubrey Carampel, updated sa Showbiz Happening.